Alright, today we're gonna freshen up and make the 90s rear end of the Corvette look not 90s with some halo LED taillights and some tint that will go over these. Third brake light that I recently installed, the video's up on that, and the backup lights, so it'll all be nice and black and LEDs, everything. I already have LED reverse lights, but we'll have the LED halo rings. So this is a before. I'm gonna turn my lights on. I mean, these are pretty basic. You can kind of understand how they are. There's not much to them. It's just a bulb, and they have that weird little lined reflector look. Kind of see it like that. So it's gonna get rid of that, hopefully. So I'm gonna just take these off. It's just a torque bit. Really easy to do this. These are one of the easiest taillights you can possibly change on a car, or easiest car you can possibly change headlight or taillights on. So get that torque screwdriver, take off those, take the old ones off, throw the newies. Alright, I think this is the right size. Of course it's not, but I'll open this at least. Been waiting for these to come for a while now. Package is kind of whack, but I got the kind with the resistors, so they already are labeled right, left, okay. Here's the hyper blank resistor for the hyper flash. That should plug in. Kind of odd, I didn't know this is how you do it. It's under the dashboard, I didn't know that. Plugs in behind the dashboard. Had no idea, I figured it went back here. Alright. Well, I'm going to open up these and show you guys what they look like. I do have the tint too. I probably should do the tint before I throw them on. Yeah, those look good. And they just plug. Just how the bulb goes in. Right behind that. Twist it in. Shove those in. And they're all set, so that's what we're gonna run with right there. One side's on. They look amazing. We'll press the brakes real quick. See the difference? I love it. Alright. Lights are done. I'm going to show you what they look like when they're on. Hazards, brakes. So that's on. Looks very good. Here's brakes. Here's hazards. And that's all of it. So now this is the look before, and now we're going to tint everything. Third brake light's done. Those lights are done. We just got to do the tail lights. It was T-top though. Who is that? We're getting to walk around with the scratches. No, but I'm excited to get those one that I ordered, the side markers.
Oh yeah, those would be sweet.